Hello everyone! In today's video, I will give you a tour of a hospital room. So, if you're wondering what a hospital room in the States looks like, this video is for you. Kaya ano pang hinihintay natin? Let's go! So, to your left, there's a walker, different sizes of gloves, a vomit bag, trash bin, and then to your right, there's the linen closet with extra gloves. There's the sink with hand sanitizer, bleach wipes, hand soap, paper towel dispenser. And if you open this here, there's more supplies. There's gauzes, Curlix, Kiros caps, normal saline 10 ml flushes. There's IVs. This is where they keep the meds, and there's a pill cutter and medicine cups. There's the syringes and needles. More supplies, IV stuff, dressing supplies, ointments. This is like more respiratory therapy stuff, like nasal cannulas, stuff like that. And here to your right is the whiteboard, which you have to fill out with the plan of care for the patient. And this is the admission kit. It has Kleenex, hand sanitizer, lotion, deodorant, hand soap, toothbrush, toothpaste, comb, that's the incentive spirometer, IS for short, another trash bin, and then there's a bench for your visitors. There is a couch that can turn into a bed. There's a dinner tray table, and then there's a recliner for the patient. That's the call bell. So this is the call bell. Press this for the nurse, and then this for the lights, and this is also their remote for the TV. That's the phone. That's a blood pressure machine, pulse ox. There's your hospital bed. Can go up and down, left and right. And of course, every room has a computer, so you can chart your assessment and your medicine as you go. There is the barcode scanner. And then there's tympanic and oral thermometers. There's a sharps container. That's the IV pump. And then there's the suction machine. And the oxygen is also built in, so you just hook the nasal cannula there. That will give the patient oxygen. There is also a stool and another trash bin. Emergency buttons, the MERT, code blue buttons for emergencies. And here's the bathroom. There's a solid linen container. There's the shower. It has hot and cold water. There's the bath soap and the bedside commode. If the patient can't go to the bathroom, you just put that beside the bed. There's the sink and the paper towel dispenser, mirror, hand soap. There's the toilet, another trash bin, and there's your toilet paper dispenser. And ayun, that's it. That's the hospital tour. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this video. Please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Nurse Mia, so you can see more of my videos. And thank you so much. I really appreciate all the love and all the support. I love you all. And ayun lang. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!